Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E white capsules on your face. Vitamin E is a fantastic nutrient for your skin, known for its powerful antioxidant properties. It helps protect your skin from environmental stressors and keeps it looking youthful. Applying it regularly can deeply moisturize your skin, giving it a soft, supple feel and a beautiful, natural radiance. It's a simple addition to your skincare routine that offers significant benefits for overall skin health. Applying vitamin E oil is quite simple. First, ensure your face is completely clean and dry. Then, take 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules and carefully snip off the tip with clean scissors or puncture it with a pin. Squeeze the rich oil onto your fingertips. Now, gently massage this nourishing oil all over your face and neck using soft, upward circular motions. This helps the oil absorb effectively into your skin. For best results, you can apply vitamin E oil 2 or 3 times a week. If you have particularly dry skin, consider making it a part of your nightly routine before bed. You can also mix a few drops of the oil with your favorite moisturizer or night cream to boost its hydrating power. Always remember to do a small patch test on your arm first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively, especially if you have sensitive skin. When choosing vitamin E capsules, opt for pure oil without unnecessary additives or fragrances. Store your capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. If you notice any persistent irritation, redness, or discomfort after application, it's always wise to consult a dermatologist. Remember, vitamin E is versatile. You can also use it to moisturize your lips or mix it into your body lotion for an all-over skin boost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.